So a few days ago, I created a video on how you can earn at least 1,000 naira per day as a freelancer working in Nigeria, of which got a lot of engagement and people were having issues verifying their account and everything, of which I created another video that explains this part. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money as an influencer working with this platform. Okay, so there's the two way you can make money through Sidegig. You can either make money as a freelancer or as a creator, you giving job. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create this account and how you can easily give these jobs out. So guys, once we are here, just make sure you are logged into sidegig.co. okay, you are going to register a new account. Now the former video I talked about how you can earn as a freelancer, of which you register as a freelancer performing tasks, but in this video you are going to be an influencer reaching out to jobs. Now this is how you can do it. First of all, you are going to click on register here. You are going to create a new account with a new Gmail. Okay, you are going to enter your preferred username right here, then your first name, your last name, a new Gmail account, okay, not the former one you use as a freelancer. Then you enter your password, then your phone number, okay, and make sure the phone number is different from this one. Then you are going to enter register as client, hiring for task, not a freelancer looking for work. So this is what you are going to be choosing. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this information up and register. So our account has been created. So what you are going to do right now is to fund your account. Just come over to wallet. Then you can just come over to fund wallet. Make sure you click on Flutterwave. If you're using Flutterwave, then just fund your account. Let's say I'm funding 1,000 naira. Click on submit. It's going to load you to the payment gateway of where you can complete your payment. So on this page, it's going to process. Then you are going to choose any payment of your choice. All right, this is a transfer payment, of which you can just copy this bank details right here and come over to your transfer bank, or come over to your bank app, or you're using USSD, transfer to this account, and it will be verified once you click I have made this bank transfer. Or you can easily change transfer mode of which you wish. So any of the transfer mode you want, but this one is better. Just easily head over to your bank and make a transfer of 1,000 to this account here. So once you are done making the transfer, just click on I have made this bank transfer, then it will be verified within seconds. So that's how you can fund your account. It's very simple. Let's head back. So once you have funded your account, you want to come over to your dashboard and you want to post a gig. Okay, now you can just come over to select category. Make sure it's on social media engagement, and you can select the platform. Maybe you are funding, or you are promoting for Instagram, Facebook. Okay, let's say we are promoting for Instagram right now. Then you can select the options. It can be like a post, comment on a post, follow a page, like a rare post, comment on a rare post, premium comments, premium, save an Instagram post. Let's just select like a post. Now you're going to click on continue. Then you're going to post the Instagram link here, which is the post you want them to like. Just put the link right here. Then you choose how many freelancers you need. Maybe you need 1,000 like. You can just put 1,000 like, or you need 100 like. Let's say we need 100 like on that post. Just click on continue. Then you're going to be seeing the number of freelancers and the amount you are going to be paying. So you're going to be paying 400 naira for 100 likes, which is 4 naira per 1 like. Now this is how you can make money from this. You can reach out to clients because there are businesses out there. There are businesses, there are organizations, there are entrepreneurs, or there are marketers out there who need engagement on their social media platform, on their posts, on their YouTube channels. You can easily reach out to them, and you can easily offer a job to them that you can help them post engagement, or increase their social media followers, or increase their Instagram page, or you can easily grow their TikTok account, or you can easily manage their account with them. All right, then you guys track a day. Then you can come over to Sidegig and hire freelancers to work for you, or maybe they need 100 people to like their page or something like that. You guys will strike a deal, have a deal, then you come over, then spend part of the money to hire a freelancer on this platform to help you like that post. Then you keep the remaining money to yourself. You can easily reach out to 10, 20 businesses or small businesses who need engagement on their platform. Strike a deal with them, then you have a deal with them, then you hire freelancers from here to complete the job for them, and you keep the remaining money for yourself. So in this way, you can be an influencer making money from Sidegig as a client okay, or you can easily be earning money as a freelancer also. So these are the two ways you can make money. There's no cap of earning in this method, because you can easily reach out to more than 10 businesses, and you can easily help them grow their social media account, and you can charge them whatever amount you want to charge them, and you can come over here and hire freelancers to work for you. Simple as that. In this way, you are working as an influencer, and you are earning money for yourself. So you can easily just go ahead and meet people, meet jobs, meet companies, and strike a deal with them, and you can easily grow their account for them using Sidegig. So with this way, there's no cap to your earning. Okay, so whatever amount you strike with them, whatever money you are keeping to yourself, is business. So this is the second way you can earn from Sidegig. For me, this one is preferable, but you can choose anyone you want. Now, once you have done this, just click on complete process. Then by then you must have found your wallet, so that it can be, as you can see, insufficient balance, fund your wallet and order again. So if I have found my wallet, it will be posted on Sidegig, and the work will start immediately. So it's very easy, it's very simple. Just come over social media engagement, then select the platform. If it's Twitter, then select the option. If it's retweet, follow a page, like a page, comment on a page, and you can easily use this to grow your own social media account. So I believe you'll find value from this content. I believe this was helpful. If it was, please do wait to subscribe to my channel. Hit on the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you anytime I drop valuable videos that will help you make more money like this. And drop a comment in the comment section if you learned anything, or if you have any questions. I'll be there to read it. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.